Die Studie in Prag entstand dadurch, dass die Berner Studie nicht veröffentlicht wurde bis dato und dass man sich sagte, naja, jetzt machen wir einfach mal weiter oder fangen wieder von vorne an. Und es war abgesprochen vorher, dass was auch immer da dokumentiert wird, soll veröffentlicht werden. Und dann, als dieser Versuch zu Ende war und die Ergebnisse vorlagen, da wurde von der Seite der Studienleitung dann gesagt, nein, also es wird nicht veröffentlicht, ohne Begründung. Die Wissenschaft reagiert so ein bisschen so nach dem Motto, also entweder der spinnt, dann haben wir ein Problem, oder der hat recht, dann haben wir auch ein Problem. Also lassen wir es sein.
Science is now agreeing that without consciousness as a causal agency of the world, we cannot understand, we cannot make sense of quantum physics. We are shocked to find that what the ancient mystics used to say, consciousness is the ground of being, is the correct view of the world, not the one that science has proposed for the last and accepted for the last 400 years.
Until 20 years ago, most scientists simply ignored consciousness. It wasn't part of science. But of course it exists. So quantum theory gives us a very different view from the old 19th century materialist view. Consciousness is a field of possibilities, and I think the realm of consciousness is the realm of possibility. And our minds are systems of fields. I don't think they're confined to the insides of our heads. I think our minds extend out far beyond our heads.
What comes out of this, and I think this is the excitement, is that the mind is much more powerful than that. The mind is not only observing, the mind is creating. The mind is capable of producing effects. And that's mind-blowing. Excuse me.
As soon as we abandon the idea that the mind is confined to the inside of the head, if we accept that the mind depends on fields which extend far beyond the head, then there's no problem in accepting these phenomena. They fit into an enlarged view of the mind. They're just the kind of thing we would expect if the mind extends beyond the brain.
The instant the possibility arises that mind might be non-local, that it's not just in there but it spreads out a little bit, well, how far does it go? And the answer is it goes everywhere. It's connected to the entire universe. And we really should begin to think in terms of a connection to everything. We live in a distributed mind. It's like a little bit like looking out over an ocean where there are waves popping up. Each peak on those waves that pop up is like an individual. Feels separate, but at a deeper level there's actually connectivity with all the rest of it.
That is an extremely important message of the new science. New science is telling us that we are one, literally, underneath our separateness. Now it says that it's stupid to be violent and it is stupid not to love because we are connected.
We are part of the world. We're not merely passive observers. We create the world, each of us to a very tiny degree, but collectively to a significant extent. The world is a construction of human consciousness.
Nicht, dass die Leute aufhören zu essen und zu trinken, das ist nicht entscheidend, das ist nicht der Punkt. Sondern, dass an dem Phänomen Lichtnahrung viele Menschen anfangen, ihr Verhältnis zur Materie, auch zum Essen und zum Trinken, neu zu sortieren.
We have to hypothesize alternative forms, alternative source of energy, and that is the real thing which I am looking at. I am not looking at this one case. I am looking the force behind that, and that is really going to change the future of mankind. That I'm pretty sure. Take it from me.